Hey everybody, it's Bob with RB Innovations, and today we're in our prototype lab and we're going to go over the IceAmps blower. The standard method of cooling any of the brushless motors is just a standard electric fan. You can find them in any of your computers or electronic devices. Not really made for dirt and debris, outdoor environments, that type of thing. That's where our product comes into play. This is a belt-driven, twin-turbo blower fan that mounts directly to the brushless motor. This will reduce your engine temperature, enable you to run higher gear ratios, and push the motor right to the max. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install one on the eRevo and give you all the steps to do that. First thing we want to do is remove the motor from the chassis, and then we'll get started with assembling the IceAmps blower. Alright, so the motor pops right out. What we want to do now is remove the gear and then remove the motor mount. Alright, now what we're going to do is take the IceAmps blower. We're going to take the scoop off the top. Just remove these two screws. This makes it easier to assemble the belt and get it installed onto the motor itself. Now we're going to drop the IceAmps blower onto the motor. We want to make sure to line up the belt with the spindle on the motor. Now we're going to drop the motor mount on, lining up the screws with the slots on the mounting bracket. So we just want to make sure these are good and tight. Now we're ready to reinstall the gear. Now what we want to do is reinstall the cover. Alright, so now we've got the scoop installed. We're going to go ahead and drop it into the chassis just the way it came out. Set it in place. Reconnect the wires, reset your gear check, install the gear cover, and you're ready to go. Alright, that sums up the installation of the IceAmps blower. You'll see it's real easy to do, and these are available for the HPI as well as the Traxxas products. And just to demonstrate how the twin turbo fan works, we've gone ahead and plugged it in. I just want to demonstrate how the fans work, how they spin, how they're going to cool, and throw a curtain of air down both sides of the engine. Thanks for watching. If you need further information, visit our website at rbinnovations.com, also at facebook.com/rbinnovations. Also check us out on YouTube and definitely subscribe. Make sure you check out next week's video. We're going to go through the details of our heat exchanger head and install to a 3.3 engine.